Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Alright, let's dive into it. Canva.com. But if you don't have an account with Canva, you need to create an account with Canva. But if you need me to make a video for you on how to make an account with Canva, or how to create an account on Canva, let me know. So here, we will come here, go to YouTube thumbnail. This thing is very easy. You can create it within some few minutes, and maybe within 2 to 3 minutes you can still make it. But here, because of tutorial, I have to slow down a bit because I have to let you know how to make this very easy. Okay, so now let's assume the video is on how to make money online. So let us use this template, because normally if you open it, it's going to show you different templates, but there are some templates that you have to pay money. All these templates that have crown on them, like this one is pro, it has crown on it, you have to pay, so it's not allowed for you to make use of it without paying. So it is preferable you choose the templates that there is no payment on it, there is no crown on it. So let us use this one. I'll make use of this, and then I'll come here. I'll edit this text because this is not the text I want to make use of. I'll double click it, delete it. That's using my backspace, and then I'll type whatever my video is on. So my video will be on how to make money online. How to make money online. So this size is too big for me, so let me do this size to 100. So let me click here, 100, sorry, 100, click enter. I think he has already gone there. You can see the size went normal, and you can still reduce this size by, let's see, let me go backward again, backwards. You can still reduce the size by doing this. You click here, you click on the text you want to reduce, then you come here and drag it downwards till you have what you want. Let me move it. I'll move it upwards. Then this edge, I'll drag this edge up like this. So you can see this even 80 something. So which is even smaller than what we need, but it's still okay. It's fair. You can use it like this. How to make money online? Let me see. The online, is it still containing it? No. How to make money online? So I did not finish typing it. That's why it's showing this. So I will add the remaining part of the spelling online. How to make money online. Then this is, I'll click here, double click it, and then I'll type secret reviews. Secrets. Secrets review. Then this one, this U here, I don't need it. Let me delete it. I'll click on it. I'll go up for delete and delete it. And then this picture, I don't need this picture. I need picture of money. So if you want to get free picture, let me delete this one first. If you need free picture, you come here and then go to Pixel. Pixels. Pixel. When you go there, you come here, you click here, but it's supposed to be pixels.com so that you take you directly there, but still not too bad. So what we are going to do here, we look for money, picture, money. You look for picture of money. We click here, we click enter, and then this is money. So let me download this money box, and then let me use picture of computer. Sorry, okay. We have to save the picture of that money. So after saving it, then we'll continue here in Pixel. Let me close this place, and then I'll come here and I'll also look for picture of online computer. But let me look for online, so that how to make money online, so that the picture should be related to whatever you are looking for online. Let me see online. You can see how to make money online. I think The picture of this person is cool, but let us look for another more pictures. Let me see how to make money online. Let us use this person picture. Let us use this picture. Maybe it's fair. So let's download it. So let us wait for it to show us where we save the picture. After clicking there, it's going to take you where you save it. You come here and click on save. After saving it, and then let us go back to the templates where we are creating our thumbnail. Then after doing that, then we'll come to upload. We are going to upload those pictures. So we'll come here and then we go up here, upload files. We'll come to upload files. After going to upload files, we are going to see this is the first picture we downloaded. I'll click on it and then I'll come to open, and then it's going to start uploading. Before you finish uploading, let me upload the other second file we downloaded. That's for the picture of online. So this is it, and then we click on it and come to open. We open it. After opening it, then it's going to upload itself also. Before you finish uploading, let us use this one. Yeah, I think I want to make this one at the top. I'll put it at the top and I'll rotate it small. Let me put it this way, and then I'll adjust the size. I'll adjust the size. After adjusting the size, for this one I'll make it plain. I'll make it straight without any much adjustment. So you can see my picture is not even showing. My own face is not showing, but it is already describing what I mean. My template is already describing what I mean. But if you like, you can make use of your picture there. That's your own choice. So you can see. Then this one, let me drag it up. I think it's here like this. Our Thumbail is looking good to go. How to make money online. Secret review. And you can see somebody working online, and this picture is money. So if you're okay with the adjustment, it is all about manipulation. So you can even still do it better than me. Just use your creativity to create your Thumbail. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video like this, YouTube will send you a notification. So let us go further and download this video. Go to share here, and it's going to give you the size. It's going to give you the size. Here you go to downloads. When you go there, this is how it's going to be. Since we are not paying money, that's why we cannot adjust anything, but the way it comes, it is still okay. It is in PNG. That's the default size, so you should leave it there. But if say you are using Canva to create a book or is a textbook, so you can use that's online ebooks, so you can use the PDF format, and if it is video, you use the MP4. But this is a suggested size and it is still fair, it is still okay, so just make use of it. Let us go to download and download it. So it's going to ask us where are we going to save it. After downloading it under the Canva, it's going to take us where we'll save it, and then after saving it, then our video, our Thumbail YouTube Thumbail is ready. So you can see we have finished downloading. So this is the picture of what we just created. Here is the picture. There is it. So can you see it? If you like this YouTube Thumbail, put it in your comment, and again, any kind of video you want me to create for you next time, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.